Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's backlink indexing video, I'm going to share with you a tip, a hack, a technique, a strategy that will allow you to start getting your pages indexed along with whatever pages you're linking out to. So of course, I do not want to waste any time at all. Zero time. I want to get directly into the video. I want to go ahead and point out this link because I'm coming out with multiple strategies that will certainly help you. With that being said, have you ever came to a page? Ever at all? And came to a website and saw something like this? It was just a blank space where an ad should be. Or perhaps you came to a website and saw something like this. It's just an ad sitting there, right? It just says, oh, Google Ads. There's nothing there. It'll say a privacy policy. This generally happens when it's a brand new AdSense account or the ad has just been added to the page. Now, this technique, this strategy, this backlink indexing method or hack, whatever you want to call it, includes having an AdSense account. So you might need to get an AdSense account like this. This is called Google AdSense. And what Google AdSense is a platform of where you can put banner ads and things like this onto a site that you might own. Now, with that being said, when you first put the ads on, I want to draw this out first and then I'll explain it utilizing websites. But first and foremost, what I want to share with you is this. All right, so you have a website, all right? You then get it approved. We'll put an A for approved. You create a page, all right? You put an ad on that page, all right? It takes a little bit for that ad to start to display, and there's something that needs to happen before the ad is going to display. And what that is Google needs to crawl and index that site. There's two types of indexing, forward-facing, all right, and the main index, but it needs to index and crawl that site before it can actually display, all right? Now we're going to make a green box, display the ad. Google has to come and crawl, make sure the content is okay before it can display an ad. Period, end of statement. They're not putting their stuff on a page or a website that's not up to par. All right, even though your site got approved, hey, the site's okay, but we need to check this page before we display anything. Now, with that being said, on this page, we got the ads to display, but on this page, there's also links. Do follow links, outbound links, perhaps on an orphan page on your website, a bunch of links with a Google ad, and we want to get it to display. Sometimes this takes a little time, but where the trick or the hack is I'm going to go ahead and share that with you now. I'm going to share it not on the whiteboard, but visually utilizing this website. If you have a particular page, let's say it is this page, and you have your links on your site, how you can get the indexation and the crawling to happen faster is you take your AdSense code, you put it onto the page, whether you're using WordPress or an HTML page or whatever you're using, you're going to put the snippet, the code, into the web page. What you then need to do is add your links to that page and continuously go to the page and continuously hit the refresh button until the ad displays. Remember, like I mentioned before, on here, you're going to have your brand new page. You put the ad on the page. It's not going to display until Google crawls that website and indexes that page. So go to the page, keep refreshing your web page after you add your AdSense code, and then go and check the index. I guarantee you 100% that page and whatever you're linking to is going to be crawled. And run a test. All right, so let's say you have something like this. Let's say you're even doing something really spammy like this. Let's say you put up an orphan page, something like this. You put the ads on it, right? You have your AdSense code, and let's say you have something super spammy like these links here. Like, let's take this one, for instance. We're going to copy it. We'll open up a new incognito window. We'll go to Google, right? Let's say you did something like this. You got your site approved, you put the code on there, you kept refreshing until the ad showed up. You got a super spammy blog like this. I just put a bunch of random links on here. You go over here. If you own the site, check the server log. I guarantee you Google came to the page. Whatever you're linking out to, I guarantee you check your server logs. I bet you $1,000,000 Google came to that page, right? I love this stuff. I'm just getting excited. So here, take this. Look at this. You go to site : and let's go ahead and throw this site in here. And let's see. Bam. There it is. So my name is Chris Palmer. All right, try this out. I want you guys to have fun with it. It's a little hack. It's a little tip. It's a little technique. I shared this inside my group the other day. I was just going over the video footage. I was going to pull it out, but I didn't want to edit it. But my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any future questions related to SEO, how to index backlinks, indexing methods, or if you want to see some new methods, check this link out right here. All right, get on the list. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I can't wait to see you. Have a great day. Goodbye.